Video content has a supreme approach to the audience, and creating a video using ChatGPT is gaining popularity for the right reasons. Reaching people quickly with a compelling video is the best option. Creating videos like any other content form is easier than you think when AI is here. Businesses are now using this trick to market their products or services inexpensively. This video will share the process of how to use ChatGPT for making videos. Creating AI videos with ChatGPT involves a few steps, and here's a simplified guide to help you get started. Sign up for ChatGPT. First, register and create an account on the platform where you want to make videos, such as ChatGPT by OpenAI 1. Write the video title, description, and script. Craft a prompt for creating a video script or generating an idea. This will be the basis for your video content. Install the Visla ChatGPT plugin. To create videos within ChatGPT, you'll need to install the Visla plugin. This plugin is essential for generating videos using stock footage, voiceovers, and subtitles too. Plan and generate a video with Visla. With the Visla plugin enabled, you'll give ChatGPT a prompt about the type of video you want to create. ChatGPT will then outline the video, and once you're satisfied, Visla will generate the video and provide you with a link to view it too. Video editing. After generating the video, you can edit it to fine-tune details like visuals and audio to match your preferences. Now give a quick look at what are the benefits of video editor versus ChatGPT video creation. We have made a simple guide for beginners on how to use ChatGPT for making videos. The AI platform is for everyone to make professional or personal videos. Whatever it is, this is a great resource to think about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally easy and affordable.